Andrea J. Chanel.
The whispers in the morning of lovers leaving town, Aling balay tanda as I look in your eyes. I hold on to your body and feel it move me. Your voice is warm and tender, love that I could not forsake. 'Cause I'm your lady, and you are me. Whenever you reach for me, all the world that I can, Lord, is how I'm feeling, lying in your arms, when the world outside too much to take. There's no less when I'm with you, even though there might be times it seems I'm far away. Never wonder where I am, 'cause I'm always by your side. 'Cause I'm your lady, oh, and you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, all the world that I can, we're heading for something unmoving. Sometimes I'm right and I'm ready to learn of the power of love. The sounds of your heart beating made it clear suddenly. The feelings that I can't go on is light years away. 'Cause I'm your lady, and you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, I'm gonna hold it again. We're heading for something somewhere I've never been. Alright. Sometimes I'm right, but I'm ready to learn of the power